Hi everyone, this is a video about how to set up proxy in Firefox. Once you have opened Firefox, click on the Application menu button in the top right corner and open Settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and open Network Settings. Under Proxy Settings, click on the Manual Proxy Configuration option. Enter the proxy address and the port number into the HTTP proxy line. Then, select the Use this proxy for HTTPS option. When you are done, click OK. Once you have opened the library's homepage, an authentication window will automatically pop up asking for your login details. The username is your student, library, or employee card's number, whichever you use to access the library services. The default password is your date of birth. The order, separated by hyphens, and format of the data is as follows: day, 2 characters, month, the first 3 characters of the name of the month in uppercase, and the last 2 digits of the year. Your browser is ready to access the library's online resources remotely. When you are finished browsing and want to turn off the proxy, open the browser settings again and select No Proxy.